Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. The exciting thing about this one is they are hiring in the United States in select states, but California is the state they hire from. I've seen in the comments recently that you're looking for things for California. This might not be what you're looking for, but at least I wanted to point that out. But the online retailer Overstock is hiring a fraud analyst. Now, this is remote for the United States, and they are looking for somebody to verify transactions for fraud, making sure those transactions are not fraudulent. Now, they are hiring in the following states: Arizona, California, Connecticut, Florida, Idaho, Kansas, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, Washington State, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. It does say that they may have occasional on-site expectations, but the basis of the job is remote, so just know that going in. I don't know where on-site would be and if they pay for travel. Of course, the link to this page, if you're interested in applying, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But as a fraud analyst, they are looking for somebody to perform verification on orders that are selected for review to ensure validity. So they are going to select some orders that need to be reviewed. You'll review them and say, yes, they are verified and valid orders, or no, they're fraudulent. You'll perform research using online search tools, and you may have to pick up the phone, make outbound phone calls, and contact the customer or banks to verify information. You'll provide customer service to customers who respond to contacts made by the fraud prevention team. So these customers, if they don't answer your phone call, they might have to call you back. You'll work closely with the customer care department, making sure that customer satisfaction for legitimate Overstock customers is complete. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who is analytical, detail-oriented, has great internet research skills, great communication skills, and they say you need to be able to pass a criminal and financial background check. Pay for this position is $15.50 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.